You know what, ang importante, masaya ang puso niya whether she's single or not. So,
Okay, si Janine ngayon, kasi single na raw siya.
you know what, ang importante, masaya ang puso niya whether she's single or not. So, importante, she's focused, she knows what she wants in life, and I'm super happy for her now na meron siyang award na meron.
Pero sabi ko naman na madali na advice sa kanya. Kung ano ang mga dumating sa buhay niya.
Hindi, mas magaling man din mo yung anak ko sa akin. Yung anak ko parang na-practice na yan na hindi lahat pinapatulan. So, wala siyang sa mga chismis. Wala siyang
Madalas
hindi siya
kung
affected.
magaling ka talaga actor talaga, may mapapansin binibigyan ka recognition ka gaya. Di ba?
Opo.
Oo. Nasasabi nga, may pinagmanahan.
Dapat lang!
For Best Actress are
For Best Actress, Kim Chiu, Always.
Hindi. Parang kilala kita ha.
Max Eigenman, 12 Weeks.
Ayoko lang kasi. Maliit pa lang ako OFW siya, so I hardly know her.
Janine Gutierrez, Bakit Di Mo Sabihin? Nadine Lustre, Greed.
Sigurado yung hindi ako makakawala dito. Wala nang pakialam doon. Aalis naman na tayo.
Heaven Peralejo, Nananahimik ang Gabi.
Ilang oras ko na dito kasi ko lang po ako. Wala ko talaga ako wala. Promise, matiwan po ako. Wala po ako wala.
And Rose Van Ginko, Kiki K7.
Sure ako. Sabi na hindi. Give it a try.
and the Eddies goes to we have a tie. Max Eigenmann, 12 weeks.
At the Lotlat, who's representing her daughter, Janine Gutierrez. And to be nominated among everybody who was on the list, that's truly an honor. And to be up here was not something that I expected. Hindi ko nga pinag-isipan ng haba-haba pala ng gawin ko, muntik na ako magkapa. Anyway, first and foremost, I really want to thank my director, Ana Isabel Matutina, who also wrote the film, as well as my producers, Jules Catanyag and Danzan Catanyag, who's actually here with me tonight, of Digital Dreams, for giving me 100% trust to play their Alice. I want to share this recognition with the entire 12 Weeks team, especially the cast and crew, because making a film is truly a collaboration more than anything else. I especially want to share this with my mom, Bing Pimentel, who also played my mother in the film. The film, after all, tackles many things about being a woman as well as being a mother, whether you want to or not. So experiencing telling that story with my mom was truly an honor. Lastly, I want to thank my manager, Ricky Gallardo, for continuously encouraging me to take different roles such as this. Maraming salamat, Eddies at Speed. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Ako po si Lot Lot.
Alam niyo po, pangarap ko talaga makatanggap ng Best Actress Award. Yun pala ang tatanggapin ko yung sa anak ko. Grabe. Wow, I'm sorry. Janine! I'm so proud of you, my darling. I'm so proud of you. Bakit Di Mo Sabihin is a very special film. Kadalasan kasi, hindi nabibigyan ng pagkakataon ang mga person with disabilities na maipakita ko anong buhay nila sa pelikula. This film, Bakit Di Mo Sabihin, is about a deaf and mute couple, which is played by my daughter Janine, and of course, his lead actor is J.C. De Vera. They're both wonderful actors in this film. Sana po you're able to catch it. They had to learn the Filipino Sign Language to be able to translate it in film beautifully, and so they did. And I would like to thank the Eddies for noticing this at sa pagbibigay ng parangal sa kanila at kay Janine. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Congratulations to the whole team of Bakit Di Mo Sabihin sa aking panganay na anak na napakagaling na aktor, Janine Gutierrez. Maraming salamat, The Eddies. Thank you po sa